hold on to your seats because this statistic might just blow you away. We're living in a time where technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. And at the forefront of this revolution is artificial intelligence, or AI. It's carving out a significant space for itself in the business world, transforming industries and reshaping the way we conduct business. If you're thinking AI is just a hype, let this sink in. According to a report by Statista, the global AI market is expected to reach a staggering $126 billion by 2025. That's right, billion with a B. From automating processes to predicting trends, AI is turning out to be more than just a tech buzzword. It's a catalyst, boosting productivity, enhancing efficiency, and driving profitability. With such rapid growth, it's clear that AI is not just a passing trend, but a game-changing tool for businesses worldwide. One of the key players in this AI revolution is something called generative AI. You might be wondering what's so special about generative AI. Well, it's not just another AI technology, it's a game changer. Generative AI is like the imaginative maestro of the AI world. It doesn't just analyze and interpret data, it creates new, original content from scratch. It can write a poem, compose a melody, design a graphic, and even generate a 3D model of a new product. Now let's compare it to other types of AI. Most AI systems we encounter, like recommendation engines or voice assistants, are predictive. They analyze data, find patterns, and make predictions. But generative AI, it goes a step further. It uses the same data to create something entirely new and original. This is why it holds such potential for businesses. It's not just about automating tasks, it's about innovating and creating. So generative AI isn't just about understanding information, it's about creating it. Now you might be wondering, how are businesses actually using this technology? Well, let's delve into it. One of the most exciting applications of generative AI is in the realm of content generation. For instance, marketing agencies are leveraging this technology to create diverse, engaging content. Ever read a catchy product description or a compelling blog post? There's a chance it might have been written by an AI. Tools like OpenAI's GPT-3 are capable of producing human-like text, making it possible to churn out content at an unprecedented speed and scale. But it doesn't stop there. Generative AI is also revolutionizing the world of product design. Imagine a shoe company aiming to come up with a new design. Instead of relying solely on human creativity, they can now use generative AI to create thousands of unique, innovative designs. The AI algorithm learns from previous successful designs and uses this knowledge to generate new ones, significantly reducing the time and cost involved in the design process. Personalized marketing is another area where generative AI is making a big impact. Businesses are using this technology to create personalized advertisements that resonate with individual customers. By analyzing a user's browsing history and buying patterns, generative AI can tailor marketing messages to suit their preferences, thereby increasing the likelihood of a conversion. Let's not forget about the music industry. Companies like Jukin Media are using AI to generate music tracks. The AI analyzes existing music patterns, melodies, and rhythms to create new, unique compositions. This not only speeds up the music creation process but also opens up a world of possibilities for new sounds and styles. In the financial sector, firms are using generative AI to simulate different market scenarios. This helps them in strategic planning and risk management. The AI can generate a multitude of scenarios based on historical data, allowing firms to prepare for a variety of market conditions. From creating content to designing products, generative AI is transforming the way businesses operate. Imagine the possibilities if you could harness the power of generative AI for your own business. This isn't some far-off science fiction scenario, this is the reality of today's business landscape. Generative AI isn't just a tool for big tech companies or AI specialists. It's a resource that's becoming increasingly accessible and valuable for businesses of all sizes, across all industries. Whether you're a startup looking to break new ground, or an established company seeking to streamline operations, generative AI holds an immense potential. From creating personalized marketing campaigns to streamlining logistics, the applications are virtually limitless. To tap into this potential, it's crucial to educate yourself and your team. Consider enrolling in online courses or attending industry conferences. Look for industry reports and case studies that highlight successful applications of generative AI in business. In the fast-paced world of business, staying ahead means embracing innovation. Don't miss out on the game-changing potential of generative AI.